Refined Emotional Freedom Technique, also known as EFT. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Michael Johnson. I'm a board-certified chiropractic neurologist. I've been in private practice in Appleton, Wisconsin since 1983, 36 plus years in natural health care. And I'm the clinic director at the Optimal Health Stem Cell and Wellness Institute. So today I want to share something with you that is very effective. It's helped a lot of my patients. I highly recommend it. Maybe you've heard of Emotional Freedom Technique, maybe you have not. But I've kind of taken Emotional Freedom Technique and added my own little twist to it, and it has worked tremendously. So, let's say you have anxiety, and you want to be free of anxiety. What you're going to do is you're going to touch this point right above the ear, right here, right there. That's the energy point. And then CV21, right at the top of your head. It's kind of where the soft spot was when you were a baby. You just take your thumb, put it on the energy point, put your middle finger on CV21, and you repeat, I'm free of anxiety. Then you start with the right side, you do the same thing on the left side, I'm free of anxiety. And then you just connect the two, I'm free of anxiety. It works. You keep doing that until you're free of anxiety. What about people have fear? Anxiety usually goes with fear. I'm free of fear, I'm free of fear, I'm free of fear. Depression, I'm free of depression, I'm free of depression, I'm free of depression. Somebody has been betrayed, somebody has betrayed you. I'm free of betrayal, I'm free of betrayal, I'm free of betrayal. What's another emotion? Stress, oh my gosh, I'm free of stress, I'm free of stress, I'm free of stress. You keep doing that, creating that loop until it goes away, and it works. It is so simple. Limiting beliefs, there's one. I'm free of limiting beliefs, I'm free of limiting beliefs, I'm free of limiting beliefs. And then you can come back and there's a lot of different ways to do it, but you could self-muscle test. If you go to YouTube and just type in self-muscle testing, there's a bunch of different ways. O-ring and on your fingers and this way. But you can test to see if it's weak or strong. Some people feel abandoned. I'm free of abandonment, free of abandonment, I'm free of abandonment. Again, you're just looping that, bringing it together. What about just positive affirmations? I'm happy, I'm happy, I'm happy, I'm happy. Right there. Right? I enjoy my life, I enjoy my life, I enjoy my life, I enjoy my life. I mean, any affirmation. What is it that you want in life that you're not getting? I have more energy. I have an abundance of energy. I have an abundance of energy. I have an abundance of energy, right? How about that? What about forgiving yourself? I'm full of self-forgiveness. I'm full of self-forgiveness. I'm filled with self-forgiveness. What about forgiving others or having unconditional love for yourself? What are some other emotions? You're programmed for success. There's a good affirmation, right? I'm programmed for success. I'm programmed for success. I'm programmed for success. Just try it. I mean, I wouldn't recommend it if it hasn't worked for me, and it has worked for a number of patients. I honestly think that this is one of the reasons why I'm so successful, is I just create these positive affirmations. Any negative thought, I just do. I'm free of this negative thought. I'm free of this negative thought. I'm free of this negative thought. Look, we all have negative thoughts sometimes. I just clear it out. I'm gone with it. Anything that you, how about this? You want to lose weight. I am my ideal weight and in perfect shape. I am my ideal weight and I'm in perfect shape. I am my ideal weight. I'm in perfect shape. How about that? I'm trying to think of other affirmations that may help you. The big ones, I think, that people have issues with that I've seen in my practice are the feeling of lack, fear, anxiety, grief, hurt. I'm free of hurt. Betrayal, abandon, stress, limiting beliefs. And they really need to be filled with self-forgiveness, forgiveness of others, unconditional self-love. A lot of people beat themselves up. I mean, they're really hard on themselves. And I'll be frank, I used to be that way myself, but I'm not anymore. It's like you got to cut yourself a little slack. And people say, oh, Dr. J, you work so much. It's not work if you love it, right? If you really love what you do, it's a part of you. I can't imagine myself doing anything else. Helping other people. And then again, I am happy. I enjoy my life. I am deserving of, right? A lot of people don't think they deserve the good things in life. I mean, just from being beat up as a kid emotionally, or having self-limiting beliefs of your parents. My mom I love my mom dearly, but well, I'll just say it. She grew up with alcoholic parents, severe alcoholic parents. They weren't abusive, other than they were probably emotionally distant, but they were always very nice to me. I loved them. And as a kid, you don't know they're alcoholics. You just think it's normal having 6 or 8 beers every night or drinking a bottle of booze a day. My grandfather, who's alcoholic, was never violent, nor was my grandmother, nor was my mom. When I look back at it, my mom had to have a beer every night, and not just 1 or 2, 4, 5, 6. That's alcoholism. I can't see myself ever doing that. So as a result, coming forward, my mom had self-limiting beliefs. And that is passed on to you emotionally as a little kid. You don't realize it. So it took me a while to break through that when I was first in practice. And like I said, I don't really have that issue now. Even when people beat me up on the internet, whatever. That's all right. I keep going back to that one lady. What did she? Oh, she said I look like a turtle. I think that was like the best, because I kind of do. So use this. And so it's my take on the emotional freedom technique. It just cuts to the quick. It works faster. You know what? You just try it. You're not hurting anyone. You're not hurting yourself. I am happy. I'm happy. I am happy. Just like that. You're creating that connection. And anything you want. And I'll have a list. I'll put this down below of some of the emotions, and I'll share it with you. And if you come up with some, just add it in the comments below for other people. And if you have questions, just email me. I've got my email below. mljohnson@askdrjohnson.com. That's mljohnson@askdrjohnson.com. I'm Dr. Michael Johnson. I look forward to helping you, and I know this little take on emotional freedom technique will help you. Just try it. Trust me. You got to trust me. All right? mljohnson@askdrjohnson.com. Have a great afternoon.